So guys, welcome again to this channel, the legend, aka the King Pinto Legend. Right, today I'm here in Siaya County, not far from the town. So we have a working tractor here. The owner purchased it a long time ago. So it has been packed here in this store here. The store you see here, it has been packed here for almost 2 years because it was the last time they did a checkup on it. It was 2020. Right about now it's 2024. We're in October right now. So man, it's just a matter of doing the service on the engine. We just want to change the oil and also change the fuel filter, and then we are also going to change the handles and also do some services on it, because as you can see the cables are not in a good shape. Some bolts are missing, the cables are not that proper. And this engine, as you can see, this one is a 22 horsepower. So but the gearbox is just the same. It doesn't matter how big the engine is, the gearbox is always the same as the other ones from 16, 18, 20. So this one is a 22. The only difference is the engine. Okay, yeah. So guys, this is what it is. And as you can see, we also have the trailer for the tractor. So we are also going to work on that trailer, because the way it looks like, it needs a lot of adjustment on it while we change the handles. In the meantime, that is what we have. Stay tuned. If you're a new person, please consider subscribing to that channel. Click on notification bell for more information to come. Yeah, and that is what it is about Roti the Legend, aka the King Pinto Legend in Angurai. So guys, we have already disassembled the gearbox, some parts of it, the top cover especially, and also the handle holder and also the handles. So as I can see, the gearbox is in a good condition. Right about now, the only thing that I find out is that these guys, they used it without engaging the clutch while they are engaging the gear. So we just have a small damage, which is not that big. The tractor can still use that one because the gear is somehow worn, but it's not that much. So what we normally check is this one. This is the one that has been affected. Yeah, so you can see this one. This is the only gear that it normally get affected. But the rest of the gears are just okay, in a good condition. See, this one is the selector. You can see also this one here was somehow affected a bit. You can see the walls here. It is not as this side, this one, this area here. But that is not that big. There is none of them that is broken, so that is a good result or good news about the checking of this one. So you can say we have it still functioning. So it's just a matter of topping up the oil, because the oil is not enough. Just going to add up the oil. The oil one that I normally suggest for people to use is the transmission gearbox oil. But at the moment we're in a remote area where we can't get that one, so we can only just use the engine oil, the one that we removed there. We can just top up in here to keep it check. So right about now we've already finished removing the oil from that engine. So now that same engine, the same oil, whenever it's in a good condition, no dirt, no water, no mud in it, you can still use it in gearbox. Okay, so guys, right about now we want to change the filter, fuel filter. For those one who are asking how do we do that, make sure you have number 13 as a spanner. This one here, combine it. And then also you make sure you have this one. This is number 21. Okay, so this one is for holding the lower bolt. As you can see this thing here, so you can put it there like that to hold while you are setting this one here on top. So kuja ushike hii spanner hapo. And then, now I'm holding the camera, so I need someone to hold it. So 13 on top. So 13 on top, you open this one first. After opening, you put it away. So that is the pipe leading from the return. So now you can now begin opening that one. While you hold the cup below. Sigonge camera. So while you are doing that, you make sure that this pipe, the one leading fuel from the tank, this one, there is a tap here. You lift up the tap like that, closing the fuel all the way from the tank so that it should not flow. So you close it up like that. Then you continue opening this one here. You can open it completely until you remove it. This one is 21 now. You remember 13 is this one for the pipe, for the returning pipe. So the moment you are done with it, you can just put it up like that. And then you put it away. So now after you're done with that one, you can now put this one down like this. So you can see that we have the filter inside. So Jen, weka spana chini. Chukua hii mkebe. Aingiza kidole ndani. Mchanga hakuna kwa mkono. Atoa hiyo kitu. Sio hiyo. Ile kando hiyo. Give it to me. So this is the filter. As you can see, it is somehow still in a good shape, not ruined, but you can see some rust. So this one is to tell you that the filter has been receiving water. So you can see the rust here. The filter is still intact, but now if you have another one, you can just replace it. For us, this one we are just going to replace it because inside here you can see there are some things that are not required to be inside. So that is water. So you can just pour it down like this. Then you can see that there are some things that are not needed in there. Okay. So you just have to wash this one here with water to remove all the dust. Then after removing, then you can return the filter. Then you begin doing the same process the way you are opening or doing everything. So stay tuned.